Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing the world as we know it. But what happens when two of the most advanced AI systems go head-to-head in a battle for supremacy? In this video, we take a deep dive into BARD and ChatGPT, two of the most cutting-edge AI technologies, and ask the question on everyone's minds: is this the ultimate AI weapon? Get your popcorn ready, because this is going to be a match you won't want to miss. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Let's start with the introduction to BARD and ChatGPT. Google's BARD language model is cutting edge. It produces coherent, human-like prose with excellent accuracy and fluency. ChatGPT, OpenAI's language model, is conversational generative pre-trained transformer. It's trained on a lot of data and built for conversational use, so it can respond like a human to many prompts. Both of these AI technologies have been making waves in the AI community and are being hailed as some of the most advanced language models in existence. But which one is better? BARD versus ChatGPT. The battle begins. ChatGPT and BARD are both AI language models designed to respond to user inputs in a human-like manner. Microsoft has announced that it will allow companies to create their own chatbots using ChatGPT technology. The latest version of ChatGPT, GPT-4, will be embedded in Bing and Edge, adding AI-powered search functions to the browsers. In terms of data source, BARD has an advantage as it continuously draws information from the latest internet data, whereas ChatGPT's sources end with 2021 data, limiting its ability to provide up-to-date information. The technology behind the two models also differs, with BARD using LaMDA for dialogue applications, which is an open-source network trained to understand natural language patterns and create dialogue based on these patterns. On the other hand, ChatGPT uses GPT 3.5 to create content in a single text prompt. Another distinction between the two models is the amount of information they can provide. BARD is capable of creating more chunks of information, while ChatGPT provides content in a single text prompt. In terms of versatility, ChatGPT has already been integrated into Bing and Edge, while there's no information yet on when Google plans to add AI chatbot functionality to its search engines. This could potentially give Microsoft an edge in terms of widespread use and accessibility of the technology. Overall, while both ChatGPT and BARD are similar in their basic function of providing human-like responses, there are notable differences in terms of data source, technology behind the models, and versatility. These differences could impact the overall usefulness and efficiency of each model for businesses and individuals. So there you have it, folks. Our battle between BARD and ChatGPT has come to an end. But the question remains: is this Google's ultimate AI weapon? The answer may not be clear-cut, but what is clear is that both BARD and ChatGPT are incredibly advanced AI systems that have the potential to change the way we interact with technology. So what do you think? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and share this video if you found it informative and entertaining.